sad view. So it says forward. Okay, I'll just drive my car on right now. Pro tip. Oh my god. I was about to say pro tip, but the freaking. Alright, let's just fix this. Annoying. I'm sorry guys, we're not supposed to drive through a car wash. I had to. Alright, let's just do one side. Do one side like this. Why is it not moving? There we go. Alright, here we go. The mirrors doesn't work, the rockers work, the wraparounds work. I think these are middle brush. I don't know what these are called. I'm stuck. I don't know what those little, small little brushes are called. I forgot. I still don't remember from other car wash videos. I still don't. Oh, I like these brushes. They're in circles. Well, these are always my favorite brushes that are in a car wash. They just like spin in circles. I love those ones. Wait, this is about to be even sicker. I wanna go! Let me go! Freedom! Oh. I thought it was gonna end. No end? Conveyor belt. Work, bro. Okay, now the car wash is not working. Or even cleaning. Why is there a block up there? There's literally an old, I forgot what it's called, but bro, why is the topper's not spinning? Right. That's going to. Why is it going? Alright, I've never seen this side version before. This is mid-high, wraparound. Rockers work, as you can see, and I forgot what these are called. If you guys watch my other video, you watch that video where I know what that's called, but I forgot. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the car wash. Bye bye.